This is the unboxing video of Sandbaggy's 1,000 feet long Sisal rope. So once you pull it out of the box, what you'll want to do, right here's the roll. It's protected with plastic. What you want to do is you want to find the center of the roll. So here's the center of the roll, and this is the beginning of the roll. Couple things about this. So this is made out of sisal. Sisal is a natural fiber. What that means is there is no synthetic materials used to produce this product. So there's certain applications where you need 100% biodegradable rope. This would be what you need. You don't want to use plastic. This is also has 3 plies. So if you notice here, there's twisted braids of rope here. So there's 3 total layers that are twisted together, and that allows this to have a much higher tensile strength than it would if it just had a single layer. So that's a little bit about the rope. This right here is 1,000 feet per roll. So each spool you order has got 1,000 feet, so it covers a significant amount of area. And we have customers that use this roll for all kinds of applications, but for construction applications, landscaping applications, there are many uses for this sisal rope, as well as cat posts for our residential applications. Here's a little bit about the Sandbaggy sisal rope.